Hello everyone! In this video we'll show you how to replace the battery on your Batmobile. Firstly, you'll have to remove all the parts from Batmobile to get to the battery. So, take your screwdriver and loosen those two black bolts holding the casing in place. Now carefully unplug the speaker, we don't want any broken wires. Don't worry about taking the speaker off the casing, just leave it be. Once the casing and the speaker are out of the way, you can remove the wheels. They'll come off if you easily pull them out. Now the fun part. Get ready to unscrew all the metal screws holding the motors in place. Make sure not to lose any of the screws while doing this. Unplug the motors and take them off. You'll also have to unplug the battery, LED fire and front LED. Once everything is unplugged, grab your screwdriver and unscrew the main board from the chassis. Again, don't forget to keep those metal screws safe. Now gently pull the main board out, just like this. Here is the battery. Pull it out. It's stuck to the chassis, so be careful. When you're ready to install the new battery, peel off the cover paper and stick it to the chassis in the right position. Replace the battery and you are ready to build your Batmobile once again. Once your Batmobile is built, turn it on to check if everything is working.